Hello everyone, I'm Jeff Johnson and this is my intro video for MIT885 Spring 2020. Who I am, I grew up in Wichita, Kansas. I actually came out here to California on a soccer scholarship. I worked in the film industry for a time and became a teacher for something I enjoy. Just not at first. I started with an English credential, then I actually got to move into doing more of the video stuff that I like to do. My wife was a French teacher here. She's now at another school. But we have two kids, one boy and one girl. What is my role? Already mentioned it, a video production teacher. I am in the Career Technical Education and Arts, Media, and Entertainment. That's my credential. I teach video production 1, 2, 3, technically also 4, and screenwriting as literature. As far as technology and my experience, I use technology for my class all the time. It makes things much more efficient. I help students achieve, and I'm often asked to help others, whether it be students or teachers, you name it. How do I do it? I often do it through a lot of the Google products, and especially with the Google Classroom, which I know quite well. I actually learned even more since being in the Google in Education class. I also do the Adobe Creative Cloud products. I know those actually pretty well. That's where I do a lot of the video editing, as part of what we do here in my class. What I hope to gain from this program and why this program, even though I already teach, technology classes in a way, I chose information technology because I like to incorporate technology as much as I can to not only help improve the learning, but also make it easier to do my job. And I hope that in learning some of these things, that it'll help them to be 21st century learners because, things are always changing. And it's a good idea for them to learn to, be adaptable. And I'm hoping that, and that's what I hope to have gained from this program. What I hope to get out of it as well is there's just so much out there and there's just new and innovative and it could improve my classroom. And I've, often been lost about finding the technology because of the amount of tools that are out there. And even then it's hard to know which works best. And going through this program, I already started to use a whole bunch of things that I've been learning. So it's been very successful, I have to say. And I'm really glad I'm graduating in this degree. Biggest challenges is I often have to work with old equipment that's over 10 years old. Getting them to replace it is it's a grind. I get a lot of freshmen, which I used to get only juniors. And because of scheduling, I have to worry about retention, whether it's for CTE or what's now called for California CCI, because they have an impact to sophomore year, and it's really hard to hold on to them. Those are the things I constantly am having to worry about. And freshmen not being always ready to take on the material. Future plans, I hope to improve my classroom, which I'm already doing, getting them 21st century learners, make it work more efficient, and maybe another role. Maybe I want to teach IT in higher education or teach teachers a part of a district. Who knows? A lot of things I've been looking forward to, and maybe that's where I'll go. We'll have to see. All right, take care, everyone, and bye-bye.